Do you want to know how you can earn free cash and gift cards and get paid instantly on a brand new site that I have recently come across? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I recently came across this platform that I wanted to give a go, and I actually honestly really like it. And in this HeyCash review, I'll give you an inside look. I'll show exactly how it works, show the pros and the cons so you can find out if it's also the right opportunity for you. I will also show you how to withdraw and show you payment proof, and then you can use all that information to decide whether you should join or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and HeyCash is available in more than 40 different countries on the website. You can see exactly which countries it is. I also do have on my website a list with specific links for the specific countries. I'll leave a link to that below so you can go there and easily join the right platform in your country, because it does have a specific website for each of these. You can see here, if I just scroll through, you can see in some countries you can even choose different languages also. So you can see it is available in quite a few different countries there. So this is just a quick scroll through there. If you want to see the full list there, again, you can just check that out on the website, or the links that I will leave below there so you can find the one for your country there. But it's available in many countries. You can see there you can earn on the website itself. It also has an app so you can easily earn on the go. It's available both for iOS devices and Android devices. But let me now log in, and then I can show you how it works, how much you can earn, and also show you how you can get paid. So I have now logged into HeyCash, and you will start on the survey dashboard, and there's no doubt that surveys is the main way to earn here, and it does have, in my experience here, a very good amount of service and also quite high paying compared to many other service sites. And of course the exact rewards, the exact amount of service and all that will vary a lot depending on the country you live in. You know, that's just how it is with service sites. But you can see here, you can even sort it so you can see the best match there, the short service or the most points. So if you go for the most points, you can see here, we'll go over the value of the points later, but they, of course, they pay quite well, these ones. But the ones that pay the most, of course, also takes longer to complete. Also be aware that the ones that pays the most, sometimes they're also harder to qualify for. So that's why, in my experience, you should not just go for those, because sometimes the ones that are shorter, you will end up just being able to take more of those because it's easier to qualify for. But anyways, you can see here, if you scroll through, there are quite a lot of different surveys. You can just choose the ones you want, you click it, you will be asked some qualifications questions like you will on any other service site. If you qualify, you will complete it, you will get paid, you will get your points into your account. You can see my points up here. You can even hover over there and see the exact value of it. I will show you how to withdraw. We'll talk about the full earning potential and all that later. But this is where you need to start. This is where you can earn the majority of your points there. But there are also a few other ways you can earn in here. So let's go over that also. HeyCash also has an offer wall section where you can find some offers that can really boost your earnings also if you choose the right offers there. Just be aware that you will not get access to these right away. You need to first complete, I believe it's around 5 services, then you can come here and you can just choose one of the offer walls, and you can just see whatever is available. Again, the exact amount of offers and the type of offers will vary depending on your country and all that. You can choose the exact devices on some of these offer walls, and then you can just scroll through how it works with paid offers. You see, like, if you see like, oh, this looks interesting, you click it, you read the exact conditions. Usually it will be, to download a game, download an app, reach certain levels, and then you will get paid. If you choose wisely here, you can actually earn some really good rewards. Some of them are quite high paying, and it can definitely be a nice way to really boost your earnings. And it can also be a fun way, because some of them are like the games you have to play and things like this. Another way to earn is to use this daily streak there. You can see I just kind of broke my streak, so that's how it is. You need to make sure to do it every day there. So you need to earn at least 1,000 points, and that's basically just $1 every day there. So it's not difficult to reach at all. And then you can see once you do that there for 7 days in a row, you can win up to 10,000 points, which is $10. So you were even guaranteed a prize every single time there. Of course, you're not guaranteed to win the $10 every time, but you are guaranteed a prize. So definitely a great extra bonus. So if you use the site there, just make sure to try to reach the daily 1,000 points there, so then you can also get a reward every 7 days there. So really a great opportunity here to just get some extra money also. There is also a leaderboard contest, so daily they will give rewards to the top earners. You can see the reward you would get here. So the first place there at the time of recording this video here anyways would get $5 extra there, and you can see all the way down here you will actually get points if you end up here, even I don't know how far it goes here. So you can see there is a big chance to actually get there. Of course, if you end up like number 150 or so, you won't get a lot, but still they do give away quite a lot of money here daily for this leaderboard. So if you are a member, it makes sense to just check the leaderboard once in a while, see where you are, because sometimes, to just push it a little bit more, take a few more services, a few more offers, so it can move you up here, and then you can get a great extra reward. But this is how you earn here. So let's now talk about how you can get paid. I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you payment proof, and then we'll talk about the overall earning potential. So to withdraw, you need to click here to claim reward, and then you will see the options. The exact options again will vary from country to country, but overall it offers great ways to get paid both in cash and gift cards. You can see, for example, here right now there is more than around 150 different gift cards, so definitely a big selection here. And there's also like prepaid cards there, charity donations, and then also like, for example, PayPal and Revolut. But again, the exact methods will vary depending on the country you live in. And the payout threshold will also vary depending on your chosen reward, because you see it is as low as $1 you just need to actually earn to get paid. So a very low payout threshold. And you can see for Visa, for example, it's also only $1 there. Physical Visa card there is also only $1 there. And for some of the gift cards, it starts like at $5 or so. So again, it will vary depending on your chosen reward. But I do like that it's definitely a very low payout threshold. And I have earned enough to get paid $100 there. You see, I have 105 points. You can see up there. So that equivalence of $105. So I would just choose here to get paid $100. And then I'll select that. And then I just need to fill out my PayPal email address. Of course, I blurred that out for privacy reasons there. And then you can see you need to claim reward, and then you will receive your reward via email within 30 minutes. So you basically also get paid more or less instantly, and you get paid very fast compared to most other get paid to sites and service sites. So then I just need to click here to claim the reward. And you can see it says here, now your reward is on its way, and then I'll just have to wait there, and I'll leave a screenshot here on the screen of the email I get from PayPal, so you can see the money did go into my account. I will also write there exactly how long it took to get it. So let's now talk about how much you can overall earn, because I know that many people will now ask me, how long did it take you to earn $100, and how much can you earn every day and things like this. And I just want to make it clear that there's no exact answer to how much you can earn, because as I've already mentioned before, and as I've said in many other videos, how much you can earn on a survey and get paid to a site like this really depends on the country you live in. And of course, it also depends on your profile, because how many surveys you will qualify for and things like this. And are you actually taking some of the paid offers, because some of the gaming offers, so they can give like 10, 20, 50, sometimes $100 for one offer there. So all that, it really depends on your effort. So it doesn't make sense too much like how long does it take because there's no exact answer. What gives you the best idea is, for example, to look at the leaderboard, because this is a daily leaderboard, and at the time of recording this video, it's kind of halfway through the day, and you can see the top earners, for example, here, who earn around $12.50 halfway through the day. So, and you can see many people have earned like $5, $10 or so halfway through the day. And again, it really depends on the country you live in, how active you are and all that. But I would say, because it has a good amount of paid service, it has quite high paying service, it has quite a lot of high paying offers. So in some countries, on some days, you can definitely earn like $10, $20. On other days, that might be harder if there's not that many services you qualify for and things like this. And if you take some of the high paying offers, the day you complete that, you can maybe even earn $50 for just one offer. In other countries, it will be hard to earn $5 a day. Some days it might be a couple of dollars, but overall, compared to many other services, so it definitely gives great options, and it has some great bonuses also there. You will also get a joining bonus when you join, and you have the daily streak. You can earn extra from the leaderboards. So overall, definitely a decent earning potential, as it is with all other get paid to site service sites. It's not a way to become rich. It's not a way to make a living, but it's completely free to join, and it's an easy and fast way to start earning a bit of extra money on the side. So just to sum it up, I am very happy that I came across HeyCash. It definitely is a great site. It pays well. It's easy to use. It has some great bonuses, quite high rewards. You can use both the website and it has an app for both iOS and Android devices. It's available in many different countries. So overall, definitely a site that I really do like after having started testing it, and one that I will keep using also. And if you want to try it also, I will leave a link below there to a page on my website where you can find the exact joining links for your country. You can see the countries it is accepting members in, and also find the exact one there, because it does have a platform for each country. So you can just check that out there. And also, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.